Hello everyone, and for today I will show you how to install Aero Glass on Windows 10 RS4 aka 1803, that is Spring Update. And here I will show you what version of Windows I have. So here it says edition Windows 10 Pro, version is 1803, and here's the build 17134.165. okay, this will work on, at least I think that this will work on any build of 1803. So let's start. In description below of this video you will have this link. Go to this link, and here is the Aero Glass for Windows 8.1 Plus. That means Aero Glass for Windows 8.1 and up, all to the Windows 10 RS4. Okay, and it says here also this version is up to Windows 10, and here is the build. Okay, you have two options how to download the Aero Glass. You have an install version or you have a WinRAR version, but I will download the install. Okay, and here it says Windows protect your PC, but this is not harmful application or program, so I will go more info and I will choose run anyway. Click on here I accept, go next, and here do not change the location of folder, just go next, next, and click install. Click finish. And if you can see, and I really hope that you can see, that I have Aero Glass on Windows 10, and it was so easy. And this Aero Glass is just perfect. Okay, because this is a free version of Aero Glass, and because of the free version you will have this, let's say, watermark, Aero Glass for Windows 8.1, and you have the link of the official website for Aero Glass. If you purchase the Aero Glass, this watermark will disappear, of course, but I will continue to use the free version. Also on free version, every time when you start up the Windows and the Windows is on, you will get this, let's say, information. This is free version of Aero Glass for Windows 8.1 blah blah blah, and you can click yes or no, whatever, but this message will pop up every time when you start up the Windows. Okay, I need to restart the Google Chrome, but anyway, the Aero Glass now is working on RS4 aka 1803, and the good thing is that the Aero Glass is working on custom themes. So here I have a window blinds, and I will select one of the custom themes. Let's say I'll choose Windows 0. Okay, I will apply this custom style to my custom theme. And you can see that the Aero Glass is working perfectly. And now I want to find a really cool background wallpaper that I have on my PC. I have many of them, but I found this one. This one is just perfect, and you will see why. Just give me a time to apply it to my desktop background. Right click, set to background. Okay, and that's it. And now we can see that the Aero Glass is perfectly working on my RS4. Let's try another theme. Maybe this custom theme will not have the option for Aero Glass because the style of the theme is completely dark, and yes, but I want to try this. Here I have a black glass application that maybe will work, maybe not, but let's try. Okay, here the black glass is running, and the black glass, it's working, but it seems that this custom theme is made on white background. I don't know why, but usually custom themes, if they are black, this window that is white right now should be black, and it will give you amazing glass effect. And the good thing here is that black glass, it's working on Windows 10 RS4 aka 1803, so you can try. And also I'm using window blinds for custom themes that I have made videos and tutorials before. I use window blinds. The black glass, it's working perfectly, and I think that I will go back to these custom themes. These custom themes and custom themes for window blinds are not same at all. There are many different things, so you can see that I can't use a custom theme for personalized menu, and at the same time I can't use window blinds. So either I will use window blinds or custom theme from personalized menu. Okay, I hope you can understand. If not, write me in the comment and I will give you an answer. So basically that's it. Aero Glass, it's working. Black glass, it's working for black glass effect, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.